Holy shit.
Wiggle it. I got it.
Oh.
I can try. Want me to?
Like, you have to squeeze this really tight when you do it. If anybody's wondering, these fucking things don't work. Don't buy one. Waste of money. We started when it was light out, and it hasn't even made a dent. Do it this way. Okay.
Just like.
Okay. Since the last video, since the last time I recorded, not the last video, I don't know what's been going on. We had some troubles with clamps, muffler not fitting, all this jazz. But today, I'm hoping is the final day. I got right size clamps, I got ramps, I got the pipes I need, right size. So hopefully we can get this done. So, as you can see in here, we're running no muffler. That's what it sounds like. It's been like 2 weeks since I cut it off, but I'm trying to finish the job. So we got these two boys that are gonna come here, go on. Wow, but before we put those on, so we have 2 more clamps. They're coming under here. I'm gonna need those down there. And with this, to open that up. Need 2 jack stands, which we'll use to hold up the pipes before they're connected. And I still have to jank up some. Like, I'm hoping these clamps are strong enough to keep this from falling, but if not, we're gonna have to jank up some, you know, what's it called? We're gonna have to jank up some exhaust hooks. I'm trying to see what size these are, because I need a socket that size. So, let's see. I think it's gonna be like 14 probably. Bang, spot on first try. I'm sick. Eat my ass. Okay. And one final thing we gotta do. Okay, and one final thing we gotta do before we do this is make sure these fit. And they fucking don't. But they fit there, huh? Son of a bitch. Because these flare at the end, so it's not going to fucking fit. This one it fits on. That one's good. What are the odds this one fits better than that one? None the slim, huh? Let's check it. Grab some thread locker too. Oh. Okay, so what I'm going to do is stop bitching and talking. Just set this camera up. Start working, honestly. Alright, so these fucking things don't work. It'll tense that thing real good, and then it won't go on, won't stay on the car, Because I'm thinking, these don't work either.